Today's video is going to be about this romantic look that you can create for the upcoming Valentine's Day. And because we are speaking about Valentine's Day, one thing that comes into my mind when I'm thinking about Valentine's Day is love and how you can express the love for your loved one. If you don't know anything about me, then I have to tell you that after makeup, my second passion is actually jewelries. I love jewelry so much. So when Ana Luisa contacted me and asked me if I want to work with them for this upcoming Valentine's Day campaign, of course I said yes. What I love about Ana Luisa, beside their beautiful jewelries, is the fact that they are a sustainable brand. They are carbon neutral, and this reflects on each and every aspect of their company. So on today's video, I'm going to show you the pieces that I received, and I'm going to wear them, of course, throughout the video. So the pieces came in this lovely packaging, very simple, very classy, and inside we have 3 small packages, so everything is reusable. So we have those lovely pouches. You have the brand logo here. And what I love about this is that they are reusable. So I'm going to keep those packages and use them for my upcoming vacations, because it's really nice to have something where you can pack your jewelries. Those are the earrings, and they are, let me tell you, they are the Frida earrings. And what I love about them, they are so delicate. They make you look and feel romantic. And you have a small pearl, which I thought it's so adorable. Then in those small pouches, so we have one ring. This is the Cody ring, and I have the size 8. They are coming nicely secured. And the third piece of jewelry is another ring. This is gorgeous, and this is the Michelle ring. Also, I got the size number 8. I said better be safe than sorry, because I was not sure if they're going to be too small or too big for me. So I'm loving them. Falling on your feet. Now I'm going to put them on and show you how they look on me. And one thing I want to show you is that this little white pearl, you can take it out if you want. So I don't have any reason, but if you just want to have hoops and you don't want to have the pearl from some reason, you can remove it. They're also very easy to secure. And now with the ring, I got it for my middle finger, but I think I'm going to use it for my ring finger. I'm just going to put it. Finally see what you're missing. You're just one lost soul. Love them. I think they are very beautiful, and they are gold plated. So I want to invite you to check Ana Luisa website. I'm going to have down below in my description box the link to their website, and you can get up to 30% discount on the current offer. So go ahead and check analuisa.com and get something for your loved one. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for collabing with me for this first part of the video. And now if you are interested to see how I'm going to recreate this look, then just keep on watching. I have already my base on. I'm wearing this foundation, and before foundation I have applied this primer which has SPF 50, and I actually am testing this foundation by Max Factor, so stay tuned because the review for this, it will come after this video. And as a concealer, I'm also testing my Shape Tape, the original one, so I'm very excited about that. And I also did my brows with my, with my Rimmel Brow Micro Pencil product. So this is everything I have as of now. And for today's look, I was thinking that I haven't done a tutorial on my channel with my mini Natasha Denona mini love palette, so I'm going to use this one, and maybe I will incorporate some shades from the old love one. So this was released in 2020 and this was the new palette they released for 2021. As of now, when I'm recording this video, there are no news about the new collection from Natasha Denona for the Valentine's Day, but it's still time. I've also applied this eyeshadow primer by Smashbox, and now I'm going to open my love palette and going to take the shade first. Oh, this has such a dirty mirror. And coming back to the Natasha Denona mini, I'm going to first take this shade. They also have name. This one is True. This has become one of my all-time favorite blending brush. I also love the Refro 15, but they are all dirty. My 315 Refro brushes, I have 3 brushes 15, they are all dirty, so I'm using my Sonia G. And I want to do a soft yet romantic Valentine's Day look. I don't have yet in mind how it will look. Okay, this shade is slightly more pigmented than I was anticipating, so I'm going to take the shade first from the bigger palette and tone it down. Alright, speaking about Refro, I am now going to take the Refro 26 brush, which is a chubbier pencil brush, and dip it into the shade My from the mini love palette. Let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat of the summer. I love this brush because it's so well done, so precise, and it's blending everything perfectly, especially if you have hooded eyes. Alternatively, you can also use the Refro 14. It's also for hooded eyes. So I'm going to drag everything up. I want to lift the eye, if that makes sense. Lost your mind, need the light to recover. I swear we're headed on the better days, and the sun will come up. My both kids are at home, so you might hear them making noises, because when I'm recording this video, we are in a Sunday. I feel that I have added a bit too much here, but it's alright. I'm going now with this shade. So the shades are named You Are My True Love. So I'm going with the shade R. I never knew that. So this is a Refro 02, and taking a Sonia G flat definer, I am now going to take the shade You. There is some magic combination between those two shimmery shades that actually make this palette a wonderful acquisition. I'm going to take the Refro 26 and blend everything. Hence it doesn't look so harsh now. Alright, for my lower lash line, I'm going to do a mix of those two matte shades. So the shade My and the shade True. Because of the fallout, I don't usually put shimmery shades on my lower lid. And also I think it looks more polished if you have only matte shades. Okay, the look may appear a bit strange, but it will all come together after that. So finally I'm going to take the referral 03 and I'm going to add this on my inner corner. This shade is so creamy that you don't need an actual fixing spray. Alright, I'm going to apply liner. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Tried and True. The liner is on. I'm actually loving that I was able to do just a small wing and it's not all the way up to the corner. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and use this mascara. This is by Sephora and I actually got a sample of the Big Definition mascara. So this is very much featured on Sephora website and I wanted to try it. So that's the reason I didn't add the liner all the way up, because sometimes you cannot see the lashes. And I was blinking, now I have a transfer. So what do you think? I think I like it. So did I show you the actual brush? It is a natural bristle and very classic, I would say, type of the wand. Going to apply bronzer. Love this so much. Love this bronzer. Especially for winter, because this is more cool toned. I think it's fantastic. And the blush is by Hermes.
Somebody let the sun come up again. What you need is the heat.
And for my lips, I'm going to use a old combo that was my favorite for years. This Dior Cosmetics lip liner in Bel Air YSL Rouge Volupté Shine in the shade 34.
Summer, lost your mind, need the light to recover.
Alright, so this is the final look. I'm going to zoom you out, but first let's admire again the beautiful earrings and the rings that
I swear we're headed on the bed.
This is my final look. Let me know what do you think about it. I'm loving it and I think it's very romantic and easy to achieve. This little guy, it's a gem, and I think you cannot go wrong with this palette for all year round, not only for the Valentine's Day, but especially for that particular moment. I think you are going to love it, and I'm loving everything as of now. So let me know what was the favorite product of today's video, and yeah, if you have tried some of those products and you love them or not, I would like to hear that from you. But other than that, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. A big shout out to Ana Luisa. Don't forget to check the description box and find more information about the sale, and there will be also a link to their website. This is all for today. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch. I hope you'll have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you soon with another video. Okay.